For homeowners in Sugar Land, maintaining and increasing property value is more than a financial goal. It's about comfort, efficiency, and long-term peace of mind. One of the most impactful upgrades you can make is window replacement. While windows may seem like a simple feature, modern replacements can significantly enhance your home's value, appeal, and performance in ways that matter to both current homeowners and future buyers. Boosting curb appeal. Instantly, first impressions matter, especially in a competitive housing market like Sugar Land. Old, worn, or mismatched windows can make an otherwise beautiful home look dated. New replacement windows instantly refresh the exterior, giving your home a clean, updated appearance. Today's window options offer sleek frames, custom colors, and styles that complement both traditional and modern homes. Whether it's classic double-hung windows or contemporary picture windows, upgraded designs make your home stand out, an important factor for resale value. Improving energy efficiency. Buyers want. Energy efficiency is one of the top priorities for today's homebuyers, and Sugar Land's hot climate makes this especially important. Older windows often allow heat to enter the home, forcing air conditioning systems to work harder and increasing energy bills. Modern replacement windows are designed with advanced insulation, low emissivity glass, and tighter seals. These features help regulate indoor temperatures, keeping homes cooler in the summer and reducing energy consumption year-round. For potential buyers, lower utility costs translate directly into higher perceived home value. Increasing comfort and livability. Beyond resale considerations, window replacement improves daily living. Drafty windows can cause uneven temperatures, glare, and outside noise intrusion. New windows create a more comfortable indoor environment by maintaining consistent temperatures and minimizing external disturbances. For families in Sugar Land, this means cooler living spaces during hot months, quieter interiors despite neighborhood activity, and better natural lighting without excessive heat. Homes that feel comfortable and well-maintained naturally command higher value. Enhancing home security. Security is another key factor that influences property value. Older windows may have weakened locks, single-pane glass, or deteriorating frames that make homes more vulnerable. New replacement windows come equipped with reinforced frames, impact-resistant glass options, and modern locking systems. These features provide peace of mind for homeowners and add appeal for buyers who prioritize safety. A secure home is not only more attractive, it's often perceived as more valuable. Reducing maintenance costs. Outdated windows can be costly to maintain, with frequent repairs, repainting, or difficulty opening and closing. Modern replacement windows are designed with durable materials that resist warping, fading, and corrosion, especially important in Sugar Land's humid conditions. Low-maintenance windows reduce long-term upkeep costs, a major selling point for buyers who want move-in-ready homes. Fewer future repairs mean higher perceived value and fewer negotiation points during resale. Delivering a strong return on investment. Window replacement consistently ranks among home improvements with a strong return on investment. While the immediate benefit is improved comfort and efficiency, homeowners often recoup a significant portion of the cost when selling. In Sugar Land, where buyers value energy efficiency, modern aesthetics, and quality construction, upgraded windows can make the difference between a home that sells quickly and one that sits on the market. A smart upgrade for Sugar Land homeowners. Whether you plan to sell soon or stay for years, window replacement is a smart investment. It enhances appearance, reduces energy costs, improves comfort, and adds lasting value to your home. For Sugar Land homeowners looking to protect and grow their investment, upgrading windows isn't just an improvement, it's a value-boosting decision that pays off in more ways than one.